Oh God, how many?
Mark, like what I dey tell you? Borrow me this money, I go give you back. Eh? You not go pass tomorrow.
You don't carry your wallet come again. No. Money when I borrow you last 2 years they go now. That's why I take forget and give you because you don't give me again. Now you don't come again. So, I don't get body for those things.
See, Mark, see, I go give you this one. I want to use that they buy food, give those kids where they follow me, they stay for house.
Hey, don't do. How much you can't live like this now?
Hey! They talk. Just check whether you get like 1,000 naira.
1,000 naira. That money now, one cannot be anywhere. But the one I get, you go bring something when on your phone or your shoe, any kind of you get, you go bring and confess. So that before I'll give you that money.
Mark, me and you not friend though. Make I put something for you to give me money.
The one I give you, you lost it today. You don't get anything. In fact, I don't even care for this one.
No wahala. Last, everybody go chop breakfast. Oh yo man.
Breakfast no day. Your house be fair. Come here.
I go put my phone. You check whether
you sure say this phone they work?
Hey! Don't blame you. You get the put money for inside palm.
Hey, the whole are one by one.
Poverty, brokenness, not disease.
Hey! Come here.
Because they separate money they put for different pockets.
The money they want place. Just the country they know money they want place. Oh, don't they smile anyhow. If you carry my this, you come, you go collect your phone.
See, make anything now put to that phone, no. Make anything.
Make noise. Go. Your phone there. If you bring my money, I'll give your phone back. So, go, man. Go buy food. Give your children.
Miracle! Miracle!
Sir!
You come here. You go where? What you do? Nothing. You hear the manga man? Go call the precious come.
Precious go get makeup.
I know, you don't come as a photo. I'm working well, sharp. Urhobo. When I come, sit down. I no need. Miracle, go break plate.
Hey, Papa, take.
When I join myself, and all one, I don't chop for road. Chop well.
How many of that?
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are just evil.
Reset you.
If you don't repent, fire will damage your nyas.
True. I never sleep outside like this before. Which this will cost that? Miracle. Precious. Go, Gamer. Precious.
Oh. Hey, you don't wake.
I don't understand.
Okay, you dey sleep for here over 14 days now for this bench. We carry you go health center, chemist, hospital, everywhere. Now the last doctor, now come dey tell us say e be like say na sleep medicine. Now you take up because of you see the breathe. So next me will carry you go house so that me will go leave you alone. Say maybe you go wake up. Now I say okay, ma come back. I check you now. Ma see whether you don't wake up because of some kind news pressure when they say see girls and see the hear about you. So now make I come now. Thank God see you don't wake up. Wait.
Put the soft downs in their food and they will sleep and wake up in January. Or do you want me to increase it to December next year?
Joe, Baba, the right January, you might hear. January 3rd is okay.
Even they or that. Only if nothing is too big for me to do. Go! J.
Okobilo Baba.
J.
Thank you. Close your eye. Close your eye. In Jesus' name. Father Lord, as you are about to chop this food, close your eye. Oh. As you are about to chop this food,
You don't finish.
may this food benefit us as we. May this food enter our belly so that we continue because of this food. We come as we chop and finish, we go bring. In Jesus' name I pray. You can wish.
That food, that the when I put that in, I chop moo. Oh, I do mistake. I chop that food. Just know. I was like, I never sleep like this before. Aside, me sleep aside. Where the miracle called it?
But you don't wake up sharp.
Miracle.
The miracle. Now that news next make me see pick that race they come. Miracle. And yes, they don't sell this house. Where you so they don't come out. Based on say the landlord so where buy this house, he get good heart. Now because Simo will leave you for here. Maybe if you wake up, you come waka come out. So you go come so that maybe you come out for this come out before the landlord come. The miracle.
What did it because so? We need medicine. What we say, need a poison when they give us any medicine, any poison. In fact, any spirit medicine they give us, not gonna affect us.
Baba, now waiting make we come.
So that is what that brought you pray to my shrine.
Yes.
You never see anything. You never see anything. Does your parent know about this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You kuku. Waku. Ah!
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
You kuku. Omo ya biao. I didn't so kitana. I know say these children they beg where. Now you make them want this medicine. They don't want to chop witch. But I will do for them because it's Christmas. Let me do Christmas for you three. Dissolve! Kukule! Kukule!
Jesus.
Woriya! 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 Yes. You are now immune to whatever, wherever, and whomever that tries to poison, enchant, and make you fall asleep. You are now immune to all germs, all witches, all poison.
Oh my God.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Just that. You never see anything.
Thank you.
You are welcome, my children. What is children? So much now they don't define because when I want to beg, they define immunity.
They don't come out to
Sell my house.
you no get any
Only house. When my papa die, leave give me. Na lie.
So I don't when they go, you know come on they go. Come here, many of your property for this house, so come on they go. This your property, they don't sell everything, both the land, oh. They don't sell everything, nothing be like your own thing for you.